Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Yeah, this is something I picked up last week, I think it was. I was in Hamilton. They are a Jet 779274 and the 779267. They're the indexing pry bar. I go back the other way. There you go. And then there's this one here, which is the indexing pry bar. Let's see. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go, see. So as you pry up, you can get more force on it. Would have been nice if they were a little longer. But hey, for the price, I think I paid like $8 each. Not bad. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Daniel out.